Okay, we got the trunk all done. The owner asked us to take the hump out. So now I've got to make a plate to go over that to make it look pretty. And that way we can put the new rug in and have it look really good. Alright guys, it's a quick one today. Just like and subscribe. By tomorrow we're going to be painting the blue on that trunk area that we just vinyl lined. So I can't wait to get this thing done. Here we go. Like and subscribe, guys. Alright, it's Tuesday and Joe's checking for any spots that need to be sanded or fixed on the 69 RoadRunner. And we just got done spraying over the bed liner. Damn, I like that. She gonna be pretty when she's done. Well, keep watching. Alright guys, it's Thursday and we've got the car all masked off and we're starting to shoot the trim. Well, not the trim, but we're cutting it all in. We're getting all the parts that need to be covered when we actually spray the car itself, like the door jambs, all that stuff. It is pretty color. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, stay tuned, man. We're gonna have this thing painted by next week, the latest. It's just really cold right now. Yeah, she's gonna be a pretty car when she's done.